Sovereign Skies, essentially, and the hedge that it provides against transnational organized crime is not just a theory for many, it's a reality. Over the past 3 years, Dominican law enforcement and military forces have worked very hard, hand in hand, with the U.S. and Colombian Air Forces to reduce the number of illicit air traffic routes through the Dominican Republic from about an average of 120 a year to 0.
Is raising the level or the operational level of the Dominican Republic Air Force into a regional and international level where we can operate with U.S. asset and Colombian other regional partners in the same standards and the same SOP or procedures, I would say, that we can talk the same language.
What we've seen is a tremendous growth in capacity, proficiency, and consistency as Dominican forces regained their air sovereignty for the regional threat posed by transnational organized crimes, illicit air traffic.
We start doing some flights, high altitude, very daytime, no clouds, and then we are advanced doing night ops, MBG ops, and also trying to do some patrolling with STOIs, that means illicit trafficking by sea.
Partnership, it's a key word nowadays, and we wouldn't be able to do it ourselves without partnership of the U.S., without partnership of Colombia. We're looking forward to explore this more and expand to all the regions, all the partners in the region, I would say. But we wouldn't be able to make it ourselves.
They probably have reached beyond what they thought they could do. They're set up an own air defense command now. They didn't have that before. That's new. They set up a C2 center. So all these advantages are going to just bring them up to a new, higher level of expertise.
And looking to the future, probably now we are doing joint and combined exercise between U.S., Colombia, and Dominican Republic. I look into the future doing a more complex exercise, including all the countries in the region.
With regional cooperation between the U.S. and among our neighbors in the region, everyone benefits. Sovereign Skies is already a regional program, which Colombia collaborated with the United States and the Dominican Republic and other partners in the region to develop and implement. The end result is the stifling, containment, and reduction of the transnational organized crime which threatens everyone in the region. It's neighbors helping neighbors.